creator? The part where the people you expected to support you the most don't support you at all. Your friends don't share your videos. Your family doesn't understand what you're doing. And sometimes the only people encouraging you are complete strangers on the internet. But the craziest part, the moment you finally make it, those same people suddenly become your biggest supporters. Let's talk about the part nobody sees. When you first start creating content, everything feels exciting. You buy your first camera, or maybe you just use your phone. You spend hours thinking about ideas. You record, you delete, you record again. Then you finally post your first video. Your heart is racing. You're nervous, but also proud. Because creating something and putting it out into the world takes courage. So you send the video to your friends. You tell your family to watch it. You wait for their reactions. And then, nothing. No message. No repost. No excitement. Just silence. Then the comments start coming in. Not from strangers. From people close to you. Why are you posting videos like that? Do people even watch this stuff? You should focus on something more serious. Is this really going to make money? At first you try to laugh it off, but deep down, those words stay in your mind. Because these aren't random people. These are the same people who watched you grow up. The same people you expected to believe in you. And when they don't, it hurts. So now you're creating content alone. Late nights editing videos, learning new skills nobody sees, filming multiple takes because you keep messing up, posting videos that get 20 views, maybe 30 if you're lucky. And sometimes you open your analytics and realize most of those views are from strangers in countries you've never been to. Not your friends, not your family, strangers. And strangely enough, those strangers start supporting you more than the people around you. They comment, they encourage you, they tell you to keep going. Meanwhile, the people in your real life scroll right past your content like it doesn't exist. Every content creator reaches this moment, the moment where you sit there and ask yourself, am I wasting my time? Maybe they're right. Maybe this isn't for me. Because when nobody around you believes in what you're doing, it starts to make you question yourself. But here's the truth most successful creators will tell you. This is the exact moment where most people quit. Not because they aren't talented, but because they didn't have support. But the few who keep going, the few who keep posting even when nobody is watching, those are the ones who eventually break through.